Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you StarMaker how to download song. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and be sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To download songs from StarMaker, you can either use mobile app or online downloader as well. So to do it, simply head over and open up your StarMaker app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the search bar right here and type in the song name and select the song, or simply scroll down and select the song from the explore option. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you are here, you'll find an option that says download, and you can see above it it has a pro label as well. So in order to download the songs on StarMaker, you need to be subscribed to the premium version of the StarMaker, and then once subscribed, you'll have the access to download the songs that you want. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.